let's get started. Our third page. So again, this is my base page, 10.5 by 7.5, and I'm thinking I'll make several photo pages. So I have 4 cutouts here. So what I did, just A4 size, I just cut 4 in half. So these are the ones, and we will score 1/2 inch on this long side, and we will arrange them like this. So I'm putting 3 of them, that much this page can hold. So we are going to create something like that on this back side, and then I have another 2 piece cut out here, the A4 sheet in half like that. So we are covering this page like this. Okay, so again you have a clear canvas for your next part. So on this page again there are 2 more spots for our pictures. We need some kind of thing here. So just like previous page, we created a circle thing using one of the prettiest image. So I have fussy cut some of the things. I will check where is the image. So here is the image I fussy cut from the collection, and I have some circles here. So one circle is this one. So I feel like I'm using the lighter shade since this image is really popping up on this black circle. So I'm just using this one, and some of the flowers like that, and we will decorate around this thing. So I will assemble all these pages as I mentioned, all these 3 pages, and I'll be back. So these 3 papers we are scoring on smaller side. Initially I was thinking I'm going to score on long side, but we will score on smaller side, 1/2 inch for all of 3. And then we need to snip all the corners a little bit. So on our base paper we have to arrange these first, and then we will decide where we have to make a cut. So I will start from this corner. So first page will be like this. So this is kind of waterfall, which we just arrange it like that, right? Our waterfall. So just you need to take these pages little bit outside, either way which side you want them, and just keep it out 1/2 inch, and you need to put it like that. And for this you can stick it like that, but if you want it more neat, then we need to mark it right here. Like, I'll just score mark right now just lightly because this is not the right measurement for me, but to give you an idea I'm just telling you. So you just need to mark it right here, and with your X-Acto knife you just need to cut this part carefully, and then this thing will go inside. So I'll be back after all these pages I'll assemble. So this is our third page I have assembled, and this part is for picture, you can see right here, and then this one. So what I did, I created this part on those circles, and then I used a tiny line of glue in the middle and stick it, and this opens like that. And I haven't covered those pages, but these are simply just the picture pages like that. So I'm going to use something like this, and also over this part like that. One is open, it's kind of waterfall, and then this part I have created kind of pocket, but it's not fully pocket, it goes like around. And tuck in some pages or pictures here, and this page is done. I will finish this part and I'll show full album later on when I will be done. And we are creating 3 more pages, so our back side of all our 3 pages, so here, so back sides are not yet completed, and also we have 1 page on very back and 1 page front, so these 2 inside pages also we have to decorate. So let's get started for our 4th page.